Howdy folks, TJ here. Have some unboxings I need to do today. And this first one I'm going to do is from overseas. As you recently saw that I purchased my first Oric, an Atmos. I'll call it Atmos. And this device is called, well, let me show it to you first. But it's the first thing that I've purchased for my Oric since receiving it. And I thought it would be really cool to have it. So, and these are made in limited quantities, it seems. They'll make 8 of them or so and sell them, and then maybe make more as they go on. So I'm kind of happy that I was able to catch on to this. So let's open up the package. Empty. And there's a little card in here. 8-bit Tronics, modern media for old computers. S. Gould, eBay shop. I don't know if it's picking that up, but figured I'd show it. Cool, nice to have a business card, thank you. And some bubble wrap. Slide her out. So I'm stingy, so I'm going to look first and then I'll show you all. Cool, looks good. So, what I purchased is an Erebus. Erebus? I'll call it Erebus. Oric Erebus. So what is this little device? So here's the front. Let me get over here maybe so the light can kind of catch on to it a little bit. Here's the front, back, a little bus cable here that's connected to the back, SD card slot with an SD or a micro SD actually, little guy, and a reset button. Nice case. So what is this device? So I guess from what my limited understanding is of it, is that of course it connects to an Atmos in the back, and you can store all of your software on a little SD type of card, and it reads tap files, which I guess are cassette files, kind of like probably on the specky side. So tell me below if I'm incorrect on that, but I believe that's the case. So this has a nice menu, so when you turn on the Atmos and type in C-load quotes, it will bring up a little, I'm guessing on the logic board here, the program inside that brings up a nice little menu, and that menu will have all of the tap files that you've got on there, and you can arrow down and select, and it immediately quickly loads up a program that you've loaded. So this is called the Erebus, and next step is I'll go ahead and connect it to my Atmos and see how it works. Hopefully everything works well, and I'll video that also. So first unboxing of the day. Sweet little device. Came in over the weekend, but I was quite busy and I wasn't able to do a video on it, but today I'll get that done. So I'll test it here in a moment. Alright, time to try it. I've reconnected all the cables. This Atmos is a little picky when he wants to boot up. I don't use it daily so far, and yeah, it's a little picky, but let's see if what I just did helped. Still picky. Turn it off. So I don't know if you Oric folks out there that know these computers well, what you think that could be. Is that pretty common that these are really picky on booting up? See, there we go. So it just booted up. So it came up with that funky, weird screen, but then it went to this. So I don't know if that's common or what. Anyway, so let's try C-load, quote. Let's see what happens. Return key. Cool. So it looks like there's 4 options on here. I know that the per post that I did, and a shout out to the folks on the Oric Facebook group. Make sure to join if you want to learn more about the Oric computers. And specifically, there's a gentleman I had asked on there, hey, tell me what game I should try for the first time on my Erebus when it comes. And a whole bunch of people posted. And one gentleman, Ramon Martinez Palabar, hopefully I pronounced that right, said Oricium. And it happens to be one of the games on here. So I'm going to try that one first. Oop. So it's now highlighted. Hit return. Hey! Cool. Now I have no clue about this game, nor how to play it, nor what keys work. But I'm going to hit return, see what the heck happens. Plug V-Sync cable or press any key. Return. Oricium. Vertical retrace calibration routine. There are some sentences at the bottom of the screen. Use the arrows to put the raster bar so only the first two are visible. Better read that again. There. Oh, it's doing a whole bunch. What am I? I'm not hitting it anymore. It's still creeping down. Ah! Oh, if you hit the arrow key, it stops. There are 3 sentences at the bottom of the screen. Use the arrows to put the raster bar so only the first 2 are visible. And there's only 2 down here, so. This could take a while. It's faster if I hold the key down. This is kind of interesting. So there's only 2 down there. Now I'm not seeing. Oh, there's one. This text should be visible too. I'm confused. There are 3 sentences at the bottom of the screen. Use the arrows to put the raster bar so only the first 2 are visible. Then press Q. I'm only seeing 1. I guess I'm stupid here, because if I keep going down, I guess I'll just keep going down and see if another one magically shows up. Oh, now there's a second one popping up. Oh. Now that one's starting to go away. I guess I got to go back up. Oh, you got to go down. 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 Up. Okay. So now I can read both. So I guess I'm supposed to hit the letter Q. I'm not quite sure what all that was about, but okay, it makes the video longer. Brought to you by Defense Force. They have received the signals, found us, learn about us. For more than a decade, they studied the information and what scared us. From their dimensions they came, giving their shapeless nature the form of our deepest horrors. Whoa, that went quick. Holy Moses. Is there keys that I'm supposed to use? Okay. Play a new game, continue playing, beginner's game, redefine keys. Okay, R. Up is going to be, I'm going to do it like Spectrums do it. I prefer to do that. Q for up, down for A, left O, right P, fire spacebar, jump, J. Pause, M. Play. Whoa! I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be shooting. Whoa, he's going fast! I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be shooting, but I'm playing anyway. Whoa! Boom! Player, get ready. So I'll stop there. I just wanted to show the Erebus working. Cool. So even though my Oric is finicky, I'm starting up. Maybe that's pretty common. I'll get to learn this computer better as I go on. But it works. I just loaded my first game through this cool little Oric Erebus device. Sweet. Thanks for watching, everyone, and take it easy. See ya.